Welcome everyone to today's Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to share this with you because, honestly, it completely redefines what's possible for solo entrepreneurs and creators. Today, we're unpacking a fascinating journey where a creator built a fully functional money-making platform from scratch. And get this, they didn't write a single line of back-end code. We're officially moving way beyond just generating pretty user interfaces. We're looking at how AI is now capable of architecting an entire, ready-to-use business structure right before our eyes.
So you might be wondering, can AI actually build a fully functional business in just 3 hours? Well, take a look at this incredible result from our source material. In exactly that time frame, a creator launched a complete home-cooked food delivery app. And listen, we aren't just talking about a wireframe or some click-through visual demo. No way. This app has live databases, it has real user accounts with distinct roles, and it even processed its very first live payment through Stripe. All of this was accomplished simply by chatting with an AI team. It's a literal paradigm shift.
Okay, let's dive into this comparison because understanding this is absolutely crucial to everything we're about to explore. I'm sure we've all heard of vibe coding by now, right? It's that magical ability to use AI to spin up a gorgeous landing page or an app interface in like 20 minutes. But the catch is, vibe coding usually stops right at the front end. What we're looking at today is something entirely new, the vibe business revolution. This is powered by a platform called Atoms, which you might know by its former name, Meta SGBE. Atoms takes that initial visual vibe and actually connects it to full-stack reality. We're talking real databases, user authentication, live payments, and actual web hosting, the whole shebang. Here's a quick roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to cover 1. The vibe business revolution. 2. Meeting your AI team. 3. Scaling your digital systems. 4. The back-end breakthrough. And finally, 5. Marketing and monetization. So jumping right into section 1, the vibe business revolution. As you'll see, everything begins with a remarkably simple idea, like connecting home chefs with local buyers. But here's where it gets wild. Before a single line of code is even written, a specialized research agent named Iris steps in to conduct deep market analysis. And Iris isn't messing around. It achieved an incredibly impressive benchmark score of 73 in deep research, which actually outperforms major heavyweights like OpenAI's O3 and Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro. To put that in perspective, it means your app is being built on a solid foundation of actual structured market analysis. You're getting a massive pre-code advantage right out of the gate. Moving on to section 2, meet your AI team. You see, Atoms isn't just some basic chatbot. It is a coordinated, virtual corporate team just waiting for your instructions. Let's run through your new virtual roster. You've got Mike, who coordinates the entire project, Emma, who takes all of Iris's deep research and turns it into exact product specs. Then there's Bob, acting as your technical lead to design the system architecture. And finally, Alex, who actually writes and deploys the code. You literally just sit back and watch them work. And the absolute best part, they never ask for coffee breaks. If you suddenly decide you want to add a vegetarian filter or, say, tell the app to reset the daily menus every single morning, you just type it into the chat. That's it. Atoms automatically routes your request to the correct agent who implements it instantly. All right, section 3, scaling your digital systems. Now, while this platform is absolutely incredible for solo prototyping and launching ideas at lightning speed, true scaling of a modern digital ecosystem usually requires professional digital transformation. And that perfectly introduces our sponsor for today's explainer, UndoLabs. UndoLabs is a leading agency trusted by businesses looking to seriously upgrade their operations. When you've proven your concept and you're finally ready to build powerful, custom, AI-driven systems at a massive scale, these are exactly the experts you want in your corner. They specialize in a full suite of services designed specifically for modern growth. We're talking expert-level artificial intelligence, AI automation and intelligent workflows, full digital transformation, and digital marketing. Plus, they handle advanced SEO and generative engine optimization, top-tier website and software development, and deep data analytics. Basically, they help businesses automate their operations, increase growth, improve marketing performance, and build truly modern AI-powered digital systems. To learn more about UndoLabs and discover exactly how AI and digital solutions can transform your business, you need to visit UndoLabs.ca. Again, that website is UndoLabs.ca. Highly recommend checking them out. Okay, let's jump back into the case study with section 4, the back-end breakthrough. This right here is the hidden gap that most AI tools completely miss. And this brilliantly illustrates that point. Using nothing but conversational prompts, the Atoms Cloud platform automatically deployed user authentication, smartly separating out the roles for home chefs and customers. Next, It built a live, structured relational database to securely store the menu items and the orders. And then it seamlessly integrated Stripe to process real money. Let that sink in. The creator didn't manually configure a single piece of this infrastructure. Now, we definitely have to acknowledge that tools like Lovable, Cursor, Replit, and Bolt are incredibly powerful. They really are. They generate absolutely amazing, high-quality front-end code. But for most non-technical founders, they eventually hit a wall because they still require you to manually build and connect the back-end logic yourself. Adams Cloud uniquely bridges that gap. It fully automates the backend, the database, and the authentication, making your idea a truly ready-to-use product from day one. Which brings us to our final crucial step, Section 5, Marketing and Monetization. Because, let's be honest, an app isn't a real business until paying customers can actually find it. Items completely understands this, which is exactly why it includes a dedicated SEO agent. This agent's entire job is to automatically generate targeted, search-optimized articles designed to catch real-world search queries. So for the creator's food app, it generated targeted articles using keywords like home food delivery in Tehran or best home food near me. It then organically structures this content directly onto the site to drive traffic. It completely handles the distribution, meaning the creator can just focus on running the business. So what does this all mean? Well, it really boils down to this core idea. Turn your ideas into a business and revenue with higher speed and less friction. This technology is entirely removing the traditional friction, those intimidating technical walls, and the slow, agonizing timelines of software development. It literally allows you to move from a single simple prompt to a fully researched, built, back-end complete, and SEO-optimized product in just a matter of hours. Which leaves us with this final, incredibly exciting thought. The old barriers? They're gone. You now essentially have an entire, highly skilled AI corporate team just waiting for your instructions. They can research, they can design, they can code, build the database, and write the marketing material. So I have to ask, what idea have you been sitting on, and what will you build first? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this sparks some incredible ideas for you.